Use a 10mm wrench or socket to remove the 4 nuts securing the coils to the engine. Next, remove the coils electrical connectors by simply pushing the tab and pulling it outward. Do this for all 4 coils. Next, remove the coils by gently pulling them straight up. Do not use the coil's electrical connector as a lifting point. These are brittle and will break. Do this for all 4 coils. Next, remove all 4 plugs. Use a quality spark plug socket with an extension. Never use power tools to remove plugs, and never remove plugs on a hot engine. Here's a tip. Tighten the plug slightly, then loosen it. This helps prevent the old plug from seizing up in the aluminum head. The plug should unscrew easily without binding. If the plug at any time feels like it's binding in the head, squirt a small amount of penetrating lube into the spark plug hole and wait 10 minutes, then try this again. Before installing the plugs, add a small amount of anti-seize to the threads. Your plug should already be set to the correct gap, but double check this before installing them into the car. Use your spark plug socket with extension to reinstall all 4 plugs hand tight. Now, use a torque wrench to torque all 4 plugs. Torque spec on this vehicle is 14 foot-pounds. Next, reinstall the 4 coils in the same position as removed. Attach the connector while installing the coil. The connectors are brittle, so use care here. The coil should slide in easily. Install the 4 nuts securing the coils to the engine, and we're done. I have just showed you how to save hundreds of dollars by doing it yourself. Please like my video and subscribe to my page.